Ever pondered what the future holds for media, technology, and artificial intelligence? As we dive deeper into the 21st century, these fields continue to intertwine, evolving into a dynamic synergy that's set to revolutionize our world. Picture an era where AI-driven technologies dictate media consumption patterns, where digital IP assets hold immense value, where every industry from entertainment to healthcare is transformed. One company at the forefront of this evolution is ProPics Canada Media. Over the past decade, ProPics Canada Media has meticulously built an asset catalog, now valued over $31.5 million. With a keen eye for strategic growth, they've navigated the waters of international media, technology, and artificial intelligence. Their precision-driven processes have forged a solid foundation, paving the way for an expansive portfolio of cutting-edge assets and applications. As their journey unfolds, they're poised to embark on a major expansion in the next 18 to 24 months. For the first time, ProPics Canada Media is opening its doors to private investments. We're presenting an exciting opportunity to purchase a piece of the future. We're offering 80,000 Class A shares, priced at $250 per unit. There's no minimum number of shares to buy in, so whether you're a small novice investor or a major investment fund, this opportunity is wide open. With your support, we anticipate an explosion in our valuation to a staggering $100 million by the end of the fourth quarter of 2025. This isn't just an investment in ProPics, it's an investment in the future of media, technology, and artificial intelligence. This is a golden opportunity to invest in a future driven by media, technology, and AI. The clock is ticking and shares are expected to sell out rapidly. Seize the opportunity. Pre-order with a fully refundable deposit, choose from various payment methods, reach out to ProPics Canada Media and Technology now. Invest in the future today.